In this video, I'll be showing how to make pillows and playing around with fabric materials. First, let's just go create the box. I can edit the parameter. Just go divide the segment to make it maybe 66. And the width segment also 66. We can also play around with the height and the width of the pillow shape. Then let's just go to modifier, and then also go to cloth. Then I do object properties. We just add the object, the box, and then click on cloth. And then the preset, the available library in 3ds Max. We're just gonna do maybe cashmere. After that, we have to make sure that we change the pressure to 2, and then maybe to increase them a little bit more, maybe 10, and then click on OK. Then it's almost ready for simulate. Then we just go to gravities. Then we change it to maybe 0, and then it's ready to simulate. We just click on simulate logo. This is finished. However, I think it because of the cashmere materials make this pillow a little bit weird. We can always come back with the material later, but this is how it look like. Okay, if we go back to the object property and then change the material to current with same pressure and simulate them again. Yeah, they look a lot better now. That's it for the tutorials.